Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Those who are new, welcome to my channel. In today's class, let us learn about continents. There are 7 major continents are there in our earth. They separated by the large water bodies. Those continents are Asia, Europe, Africa, North America, South America, Australia and Antarctica. Now let us see one by one. Asia. It is the largest continent. It covers about 1/3 of the total land area of the earth. The continent lies in the earth eastern hemisphere. This continent lies in the eastern hemisphere. The Tropic of Cancer passes through this continent. Asia is separated from the Europe by Ural Mountain on the west. The combined landmarks of Europe and Asia, it is called as Eurasia. It means Europe plus Asia, Eurasia. Now let us see our second continent is Europe. Europe is much smaller than Asia. This continent lies in the west of Asia. The Arctic Circle passes through it and bound by the water bodies on the three sides. Those are all about Europe. Now let us see our third continent is Africa. It is the second largest continent after Asia. The equator of 0 degree latitude runs almost through the middle of this continent. The large part of Asia lies in the northern hemisphere. In this continent, the Tropic of Cancer, Equator and Tropic of Capricorn passes. The Sahara Desert, the world's largest and hottest desert, it is located in Africa. This continent is bounded on the all sides of oceans and seas. We can see that world's longest river, the Nile, flows in the Africa. Those are all about Africa. Now let us see North America. It is the third largest continent of the world. It linked to the South America by a very narrow strip. It is called as a Isthmus of Panama. This continent lies completely northern and western hemisphere. The three oceans surrounded this continent. Those are all about North America. Now let us see South America. It lies mostly in the southern hemisphere, which two oceans surrounded it on the east and west. The Andes, world's longest mountain range, ran through it and length from the north to south. The South America has the world's largest river called Amazon. Our next continent is Australia. It is the smallest continent. It lies entirely in the southern hemisphere. It's surrounded on the all sides by the ocean and the seas. It is called as an island continent. Those are all about Australia. Now let us see Antarctica. Completely in the southern hemisphere. It lies completely in the southern hemisphere. It is a huge continent. The southern pole lies most at the center of this continent. As it is located in the southern polar region, it is permanently covered with a thick ice sheet. There are no permanent settlement of human beings there. The many countries have founded the research centers or research stations there. In Antarctica, we see that India also has this research station there, and those are names Maitri and Dakshin Gangotri. Those are all about the Antarctica. In today's class, we have learned about continents. In those continents, we see that Asia, Europe, Africa, North America, South America, Australia and Antarctica. If you have any queries regarding this, comment below. Thank you for watching this.